This video is filmed in 100 ISO with a 128 ND filter on the Mini Pro 3 drone. The drone will only allow for as low as 100 ISO, so keep that in mind. I like to show the different shades, shadows, and brightness. This is filmed on a clear winter's day with pretty much no overcast. The sun is a bit to the east. Again, this is with a 128 ND filter at 100 ISO on a Mini 3 Pro drone. You can see how dark the shadows are and how crisp the sunlit areas are. You can even see some of the mountains a bit in the distance there. Here we have the DJI Mini 3 Pro with a 128 ND filter at 200 ISO. Definitely lightens up the shadows, and the mountains in the background are quite a bit more overexposed, hard to see. But I do think the shadows are much crisper, so depending on what you need, might be the right settings. You can see there those chairs in the shadows, which weren't as easy to make out with the 100 ISO. Alright, now we're looking at an ND64 filter at 100 ISO on the Mini 3 Pro. I like this lighting because you get a good mix of shadows and brightness. The mountains in the background are even more difficult to see now, and it is pretty bright overall. The sky is overwhelming. And now here we have the 64 ND filter with 200 ISO, very overexposed. You can see as it starts to get out of the sun a bit, things sharpen up, aren't nearly as overexposed. You get a pretty clear view and shadows there. I didn't bother going any farther than 64 ND 200 ISO. Anything beyond in this lighting would most likely be overexposed. Shadows do look good though.